Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna start adding some EVA foam to my KingFisher Warrior tiller boat. This is the EVA foam I'm going to use. I'm going to use it on the shelf here and on the side. So first thing, I'm going to clean the boat with rubbing alcohol and microfiber. I'm going to clean the shelf, make sure it's clean, and after I'm going to start installing the EVA foam. The only thing we need to do is to remove the paper. There's already some sticking tape behind it, so since I used this and this, I already did it at the bottom of the shelf. So what I'm going to do is preheat the surface with a hair dryer. I'm not gonna use a heat gun. I don't want to damage the paint in the inside or maybe the outside with the heat gun. It's maybe too hot, but just make sure that the temperature on these is not cold. Okay, so I'm gonna start to peel the back here and gonna start to work my way up the front of the boat. Okay, now I'm going to start to putting the EVA foam on the top side of the shelf. Did the same thing, wipe all the side with rubbing alcohol, make sure it's nice and clean, and again I'm gonna preheat the foam and the side of the boat with an air dryer. That one I think is going to be tough since I'm alone. There's It's not even on the side since it's the pre-flex hull on Kingfish boat. So I'm going to try to align with the shelf at the bottom and work my way up to the front. And there's two aluminum tracks for the rod holder that I'm going to have to deal with. So pretty sure that one is going to be a bit tricky. Wish me good luck. So here it is. One side done. Now going for the other side. That was a bit easier than I thought.